March 13th, we're kind of in a Denver blizzard here, showing the Tennadyne T-8 log periodic in about 40-50 mile an hour winds. Above that is a 40-meter rotatable dipole and then a 3-element Yagi. But it's blowing probably pretty sustained right now. And just to give you an idea of what it looks like here, I'm in between some houses, so a little bit protected, but yeah. So definitely going to upload this to YouTube so people can see just how tough this Tennadyne T8 log periodic is. Tower is designed for 112 mile an hour wind gusts with 2.5 inches of ice on it. That was a county requirement. We might have that. I'm not sure. You can see it's getting to be sort of somewhat of a whiteout. The snow. It's really something.